Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to instantly convert SPayLater to GCash. Alright, let's begin. Now, the only thing that we can convert our SPayLater into GCash is via paying any bills that is going to be available from our GCash partners. So the first thing that you do is ensure that you have sufficient amount of credit available on your SPayLater. The next thing that you want to do is just to pull out your GCash application logged into your account using your 4-digit PIN. And head directly to bills and payments. As you can see, these are going to be the available bills that you can go ahead and use your SPayLater by paying any of those billers from GCash. Now just simply choose on any of these options right here and just choose on SPayLater as one of the payment method. But if you do that, just make sure that you have sufficient amount of funds on that specific bill that you'll be paying using your SPayLater, and that's it. So that's basically how you can instantly convert SPayLater to GCash. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.